For method 1, we're going to use a paring knife to cut the stem of the strawberry and slice it vertically. They're pretty close to evenly sliced. Or we can again cut the stem and simply slice horizontally. Method 2, which I have as the preferred method, is to get a strawberry huller. It's a very simple device that extracts the hull from the strawberry. Grasp the strawberry in one hand, depress the green post, and cut into the stem. Firmly grasp the stem, twist, and remove. A strawberry slicer has razor-thin blades at the bottom. You push the strawberry through the blades, and out comes evenly spaced strawberry slices. Simply place a strawberry into the device, squeeze the handle, and out comes your strawberry slices, evenly sliced. Put it on your oatmeal parfaits any way you want to use it. As you can see, you can slice strawberries very quickly. And does a very clean job of slicing the strawberries. That's our tutorial for cutting strawberries and a couple of cool gadgets to make your life easier. No matter which method you use, enjoy freshly cut strawberries. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.